Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. My name is Sean. This is my vlog. Today I got a few things I want to just kind of finish up on the truck. Nothing major, but I figured, you know what, I'm going to take you on the journey with me. I stopped at my local auto parts store and picked up a few things. Let's see what we got. We got some windshield washer nozzles. We're going to finally fix that. We picked up some weather stripping. We're going to wrap the doors with that and kill a little bit of road noise. And we got some lug nuts that we're going to be replacing. So nothing major, like I said, just a few things that need some attention that we're finally going to take care of. Let's get started. Okay, so for one, they don't fit quite right. They're not big enough to cover the hole in the hood. So I'm not happy with that. So obviously this will be temporary till I can get the correct replacements. Alright, so now that those are mounted, we're just going to connect the line. What I'm using air line for a fish tank. I find that it works a lot better and it doesn't dry out as fast. So I do have my area here. So what I need to do is install that there. Push that on and up. So, now we'll hook up this other side. Okay, so now what we're going to do is lug nuts. We're going to check those. Just did a big brake job on this and busted off one of the old studs, and thank goodness that these new rotors came with the studs and that whole setup on it. So I just got to add a nut on this one. Right there. Please be careful with these. When I was younger, my father used to sell a lot of hot rods and car parts and things of that nature, and he was boxing up something in the garage. He was kneeling on the box, he cut it, it slipped, he cut open his thigh, missing a major artery by just a little bit, rushed to the emergency room. Just a bad deal, so please be careful with these. Now to the other side. Now there's none missing on this side, but you can tell I've got a few that just aren't right. So we're just going to replace those. Let's snug this shit down, what do you say? Back in business. So what we're going to be doing now is putting some weather stripping around these doors. I do have a little piece here now, as you can see, just enough to kind of cover the edge there. And it's all because of these damn hinges not being welded on. They're just glued. Ran some bolts in, pounded them in together, and it still comes out. So what this does is keeps the water out, the air out. So I'm going to just remove this chunk that I've got in here now. We're going to wrap the whole entire door edge with it and see what happens. Okay, so it started nice.
Okay, so we got that stuff done, taken care of, buttoned up, fine-tuned a little bit. Some of it is just temporary until I get, like, say, the door hinges welded in and the gapping and that stuff right. So, we're just going to kind of run with that for now. Hopefully we won't have any road noise, and I can actually wash the window if I need to, for now anyways. So I am heading home. I am going to enjoy the rest of my evening. I encourage you all to do the same as well. So stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.